One of the things I wanted to share about this car is something I did a while back, and that's this instrument cluster. I did this, I don't remember how many years ago, but it was kind of before all the aftermarket popularity of stuff. But this car originally had 120 mile an hour speedometer, and then over here would have been the oil pressure and amp gauge. This was actually a clock, and then temperature and fuel. So what I did was I bought a 67 Cougar cluster that had a Tach. It was a 6,000 RPM Tach, and of course this was a 120 mile an hour speedometer. This is a 68 oil pressure gauge, and in 68 they switched this. On the 68, this was the gas gauge in amps, and the oil pressure gauge was over here. So I got an oil pressure gauge from a 68 and put it where the clock used to be. And then this is a Cougar tachometer that's been recalibrated by the Tech man. You can Google him. He did a good job on that. And he recalibrated my speedometer. But I'll show you how I did this. Basically, I cut up the 67 cluster to get this tachometer to fit into the Mustang instrument cluster. The faces were different, so I had to repaint all of this stuff. And I would have went with the original black color, but I couldn't find anything to make them all match. So I did find back in the day on eBay a kit overlays to do the everything in white, and it was for a 67, 68, so it came with multiple things for the different gauges. So it worked out nice for me. And then, like I said, later on I wanted to increase this to the 140 8,000 RPM cluster, so I had the Tech man redo these two, but this remains what I did originally. So I'll show you what that looks like, and I don't have video of it because it was done a long time ago, but thanks for watching.